What if your phone gets dropped in water? Don't worry, here are some tricks and tips to get your phone back. First, get it out from the water. Then, second is take away the battery and eject everything possible like SIM card and SD card. Now, grab a towel and dry this out gently, but do not use hair dryer. Again, grab some rice and keep your phone into it. Rice will dry out the circuits. Leave the phone there for a day or 2 days. And don't charge your phone when the phone is wet. Don't shake the phone. Don't blow in it. Don't push hardware buttons. And lastly, simply don't drop it in water. Thanks for watching. If you like or you think the video was helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.